get them all going. Good girl. Good dogs. Oh, Cooper, are you gonna get nice and muddy? Found something? Oh, everybody found something nice to roll in. Yum. There you go, Luce. Oh. Oh, Lucy. What do you say, Abby? You gonna try and roll in that in your jacket? Okay, guys, we're gonna go this way. Let's go, Frankie. Good dogs. Now that we got everybody running around, we'll continue our walk. Oh, here comes the rain, too. Okay, Cooper, come on.